Let's have a look into the export feature, which is a feature that has been released with version 10.11, which allows you to export your pre-configured checklists inside Kneeboard GA into an ACE file, which is a file supported by Garmin devices. So if we start with, I have another template here. Um, This one, it's shared with code RC if you want to check it out. I'm going to load this. This template is 6 pages long. Couple of checklists before you go: parking, pre-flight, as well as in-flight checklist. So it's rich in formats. It has pages with 2 columns, pages with 1 column. I guess the only thing it doesn't have is a couple of tiles, but I guess you can make up your own mix. So the idea with this is that if you use the export feature, which is in the menu export, there's only one format right now, so it's very straightforward. And it's going to scan the whole template and extract as many checklists as it can. So if I export this to ACE format, export template, my browser is downloading. And actually Chrome is scanning the file at the same time. Okay, my file is now scanned. I can open it. I have installed the Garmin app. It's called the Garmin, it's not Garmin, but it's from the Garmin website. I'll post a link in the description. It's the Aviation Checklist Editor. And I just want to show you what it looks like. So the checklist here in the background shows before you go with 2 columns, then parking. So if you look at the resulting file, you can see here that you have a bunch of checklists. Before you go left is giving you everything that was on the left of the first page. Before you go right is going to give you the right page, obviously. If the page only has 1 column, so let's look at parking, you can see here that the list name match the page name. So parking has a bunch of challenge and response, tow bar, secure, pitot cover. So you can see here that it's following the same pattern of challenge and response, and the headings are showing as well as the center text. So that should be somewhat consistent with the GA Kneeboard format. Going to the next page, it's basically doing the same thing. So every time you have a page in the template, you basically have a checklist in the ACE file. So very straightforward to use. Just use the export feature and you get the resulting file. This feature is completely experimental. Please give it a shot and let us know through the feedback what you thought and whether this is helpful and what do you think we should be changing in there. Thanks for your time.